We got this!
That is so good!
Pull up your shirt!
I can't!
Good morning, everyone. It is early 6:30 a.m. and I am off to swim practice. Let's do it. Just finished my swim practice and look who I bumped into. Maria! Maria and Lassie. Florence in the machine, everyone. Thank you very much. I am just cleaning the room of my apartment because my friend Caroline is coming over very soon. She is traveling from Ottawa to be here for a couple of days. So she'll be here today and tomorrow. So very exciting. You'll get to see one of my closest high school friends. She's quite the one. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're French, so we might speak French, English, French, English. Let's say for English. I talked about you, by the way. So Miss Caroline is already here now. Yes. We have to chug our drinks, but
I already did it.
Cheers.
Alek is slow. That was like one sip.
Oh my god.
Do you really call that a chug?
It was, yeah. It's a big chug.
Here we go.
Here we go.
We're ready to
so
go.
we were lost
so
for a second, but now we're gonna
know
go
what we're
watch
doing.
some Georgia or Keith art. So we're at the AGO is what we were trying to say earlier. And we're gonna go see Georgia O'Keeffe's paintings, yeah. Very excited.
Au revoir.
Au revoir, let's do it. We just finished seeing the exhibit of Georgia O'Keeffe and it was amazing. She had different styles too, like what the hell? Oh no, me was her abstract.
Oh, her
It was
abstract.
so beautiful.
Yes.
But the skulls, not too much.
Not so much the skulls.
Those
Stuff in the
stages.
desert was kind of like...
Yeah. We're now at a ramen place and we're gonna enjoy some good ramen. This is the bathroom. Look how tall I am. And then off to drink some nice wine. Very exciting.
I feel good!
The worst movie! Oh my god!
We're watching the movie called Just Friends. The sun is like out like crazy,
The
but
sun is nice, the movie isn't.
it's like just it's like a really weird. I don't get the movie. We're back at my place, by the way, in case you don't know. The people who saw the movie will understand. Anyway, it's just weird. It's such a weird movie. We are currently drinking some good wine.
Put my makeup on soon before I get too drunk.
Oh yeah, good idea. I was saying we're gonna open the bubbles.
The bubbles, yes. So exciting.
So excited. So we just looked at the boomerang. I know.
It was a selfie.
It looks really bad. We just tried to we opened the bubbles.
A little boob thing.
Yeah, you were having a good time.
Shimmy,
So
shimmy.
silly. Some boomerangs just don't work. This one, it didn't work.
Didn't work.
It didn't work.
But look, bubbles.
Bubbles!
I want to be in the video.
Celine Dion is singing right now.
She's
It's so
beautiful.
nice.
She's amazing. It's amazing.
I love it. Oh, someone's looking at us on the window.
He's calling someone.
It is raining like crazy outside. What do we do?
This is not okay.
We just finished eating
Lasagna.
and breakfast.
I do not want to be here right now.
It is pouring outside. Honestly,
The last thing I want to do.
it's the end of the world.
It really is.
We're gonna have to run. 1, 2,
Alright.
3, let's go!
Beautiful. I can't.
We're almost there.
The lasagna.
2 a.m. in the morning.
I can't do it. Alek, I don't think I can do it.
We can do it. We can do it.
Where are we going?
1, follow me. Let's go!
There's people cheering us on.
I'm feeling so much encouragement.
The fun time.
Let's go.
The fun time.
Let's go. We got this.
Got a soaker.
Pull up your shirt.
I can't.
My phone is soaked. Oh my god. If my phone breaks for this vlog, it was worth it. I think we made it. Oh my god. No. Okay. Have a good night.
No way.
Goodbye.